Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am going to get my teeth whitened today, and I'm going to get gems on my teeth, so I thought I would take you guys with me. I'm also going to try to do a drive with me if I have enough time, but I'm running late to this appointment. My eyelashes are stuck. I'm running late to this appointment. I'm not running late, I'm on time, but I'm just like, I wanted to be there earlier. So I might do my drive with me after I get my teeth whitened. So this is the before. I have an overbite and I'm starting to get a gap right here, which I never had before because my tongue placement is on the back of my teeth, and it's supposed to be up there on the roof of my mouth, and I'm trying to practice it. It's called mewing. It actually makes your jaw look slimmer and it brings your face forward, and it's the best position for your teeth and tongue to be in. So but we are going to this girl named Layshla. She actually works with me at my day job at this criminal justice facility. She's working from home. I'm taking my lunch break to go do this. I'm sure she's on hers too. So I have to drive all the way to Beloit. So let me go ahead and get on the freeway. All right, let's go. Bye. Or see you soon. Or I'm gonna put this part here. And oops, sorry.
Oh,
So I'd like to show people this part.
like if you're gonna learn after.
So I like to kind of see where you are. Your teeth aren't that bad. I would say you're somewhere in this little area right here. Close your teeth. Can you go about? I do see some white spots on there. I'm not a dentist, so I'm not diagnosing you with anything. I'm just letting you know that the white spots do become brighter, but they will fade in the next 24 hours, okay?
Okay.
And then is it okay to take a picture?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna get close and personal. Okay. Take a picture.
Gotcha.
Alright. You said you feel weird?
It just feels like you're hugging. Okay.
Yeah. So I forgot to put the bib on you, so I'm gonna put that bib. And then after I put the bib on you, you can lay back.
Okay.
Well, not rule, but the caption rule. You want to leave your jacket on? Like, yeah. Okay. All right. So, I don't know if you're going to be able to do both. Well, actually, you can use that as a mirror, so that's actually perfect.
Yeah.
So, normally I would give you the mirror, but since, put your finger in here. Since you have the phone, I would just have you do like this. So, due to CDC guidelines, since I am not a dentist, I'm not allowed to touch you.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna have you kind of like brush your teeth, but you're drying your teeth because you're preparing it for the gel.
So just touch on?
Just like brush your teeth, yeah, kind of. Like there you go. Make sure you get the top and the bottom. All right, very good. Now you said you had sensitivity, so this next part is very important. I'm giving you a vitamin E swab. The vitamin E protects your gums from the gel. The gel is 16% concentrated hydrogen peroxide. Concentrated is the key part. So you know when you put hydrogen peroxide on a cut and it bubbles up, imagine putting 16% hydrogen peroxide. It's gonna sting a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Right. The point is you want to avoid your gums.
Right.
Especially if they're sensitive.
So it's like hair protectant.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is a little vitamin E oil because you know, just in case you experience some kind of like sensitivity.
Okay.
I will give you one afterwards if you do have sensitivity.
So where do I apply it?
This is going to be applied to the gums and the gums only.
Okay. What's it called?
That's just oil, vitamin E oil.
So top and bottom?
Yep. And then when you're done applying it, let me know.
Okay.
All right. Now for this next step, I'm gonna have you kind of put a little too much on there, but this is gonna be applied to your teeth, one tooth at a time, top to bottom.
Top to bottom?
Avoiding the gums. This you don't want on your gums, okay? I gave you a glob, so just try to even it out. You open your eyes. It's okay. It's not like, you know, you'll be all right.
Okay. Each tooth?
See? Yep, each tooth. You want some more lighting?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to put the coat wrap up.
Okay. This, do I go top to bottom on the bottom?
Top and bottom, yep.
Okay.
And make sure you get the canines and the one right next to the canine.
So this one?
Yep, let me give you a little more. It looks like it's running out. So whatever teeth you see smiling, when you go, you want to make sure you apply.
And that's it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then during the process, if for some reason you did get some on your gums, just let me know and I will assist you.
Okay.
Alright. Are you still right-handed?
Right-handed. That's right.
You want me to do this?
Yeah.
Is it close enough?
Yeah.
Or you can do this?
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. I'm supposed to get this out. I'm supposed to get
You did the bottom?
this one and
The canine and the one next to it. Alright, let me check them out. That's where we start the light. Okay, I'm just gonna do it one more time so you can pour a little bit more on the bottom. You see them? Yeah, so those cuts are gonna be a little on the bright side. And then in the next 24 hours, they will fade. So I'm gonna take this and give you the phone, and I'm sorry if I didn't do a good job recording.
You're good.
Okay. And then I'm gonna remove this part. You okay to touch it?
Yeah, You're just a little bit. Yeah.
You see? Ready? She is super professional. I highly recommend her. I love the results of the teeth whitening and the gems. So stay tuned until the end if you want to see how she applies the gems. Okay guys, so here I am just rinsing it off. She did 3 sessions for 60 minutes. So I repeated this step 3 times underneath the light for 20 minutes and then rinsing again and going back underneath the light. These are my teeth. They're super white. She's about to do the gems next. I love the results. They're super white. Hello. White fuck, yeah. That's good though. That's what's up. Yeah. They weren't bad to begin with though. I think they were. Like when I was younger, I used to always hella white. I didn't do coffee when I was younger though. All right guys, so here she's just positioning the placement of the gems. She's gonna put the dental glue on my teeth. She's going to place the gem on there, and then after that she's going to cure it for a couple of minutes, so then it is semi-permanent. It is supposed to last up to a year. However, she gave me a disclaimer before she started that the canines are not recommended to gem, even though they still might last. It's not guaranteed that they will last. So the first 4 teeth on the top and bottom are highly recommended, but I wanted my fangs or canines done. Here she is curing the gem onto my teeth. This is what makes it semi-permanent. Here are the final results.